Ever wondered if a hacker could become a hero? Well, you're about to find out. He used to live in the shadows of the internet, a hacker exploiting vulnerabilities for personal gain. He thought he was invisible until the day everything came crashing down. One wrong move and he was caught, his identity exposed. Facing consequences, he had a choice: keep hacking or turn my skills into something greater. That's when he decided to change. He signed up for cybersecurity training, learning how to protect instead of attack. The journey wasn't easy. He started understanding the true value of security. How every breach system affects real people. Business, families, governments. Using his knowledge for good, he began working in the front line of cyber defense, stopping threats before they could cause harm. Now I'm here to share his journey with you, to turn his past mistakes into lessons, to help you become the defenders of the digital world. Cybersecurity is not just a job, it's a calling, a mission to protect, secure, to be the digital heroes of our time. Join me and let's build a safer internet together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's secure the future.